I've already 9, 10 packs.
Under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling.
Say hi.
It's taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna savor every thought on my mind of you and I getting together. Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over, I wanna touch, kiss ya. The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted. I can't believe we started out friends. Oh, it's like we were meant to.
Hi guys, good evening. So today is the last day of a holiday before school starts, so I decided to take these children out. My youngest sister came, so all of us are here. We are already at the location. We're at First and B, Abby. Yeah, First and B, and we just want to have a great time in there just for a few minutes or hours before we get home. Okay, so enjoy the rest of the vlog and let's go. I'm able to start now. Pump your distance. No, can't waste my cheese. Are you full started? Wait, stop pressing that. Oh yeah. Go now. How do you do faster? Eh? You'll be shifting the head. The other way. Ahead.
I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something good. You're all I ever wanted.
What's up? Kita main motor nyaya. Back then it was so hard for me to drive, but now I'm gonna finish everybody.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna savor every thought on my mind of you and I getting together. Gotta
back home. It was a nice outing. We were right on time for Big Brother Nigeria Live eviction show, so that's what we're catching up on. I'm gonna have my bath tomorrow. We're starting school officially. So yeah. I was yours, you were mine, but it's time to say goodbye. Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. Oh, you should have loved me.
Look.
Say hi.
Uh-oh.
Say hi. Look here, look here. Look here. Look.
You said that cat kid. You said that.
Give you okay? Hi guys. So PK is back from school. I don't know what I'm looking like these days, seriously. I need to go and get my hair done. What's all this? Anyways, he has had his bath and I want to make akara. I just want to eat akara exactly with bread. I went to grind it at a grinder's place because I didn't have the strength to grind it by myself, so I've already prepped it. I just want to do the oil, get the oil hot and fry it up, because yeah. Should've known me better, cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believed we would never, till the afternoon, till the afternoon. That was when the moon started to become blue. So I surrendered, cause I couldn't see things getting better. No, in the afternoon, did what I could do, now you're in my review. Yeah, hasn't always been this wrong or this bad. But after some time, I realized. Hi guys, so I'm on my way to get a few things for soup. Nothing much, just around my area. I'm not going far. So, should I say hi?
Hi, you know that crazy.
That's my killy show. People are seeing how this guy used to bully me. There's like people be saying this, that.
I'm the love.
This is how she used to bully me. I love of whose lives?
Even your life, I'm the love of your life.
Get out.
Hey!
Hi guys, so we are back home. I'm almost done, putting everything we got in place. But this is what's remaining. I want to make okra soup today. Better okra. Today. I got fruits. I got bread. See, I was craving kilishi. And I've been begging my husband to buy me kilishi, you guys. And this man went and bought not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs, because we took one and we were going to get what we got just now. Look at that. Okay, I'm not complaining, Sha. I'm not complaining. So I want to fry some egg and eat with. I want to fry some egg and eat with that soy milk that is there. I want to quickly go have my bath and go and pick the cake. But before we do that, I got this package. I'm supposed to be creating, taking pictures with some of it. The jewelries from a jewelry store. Okay, so I have. Huh? No. Sister is bad. So I have this pretty, is it leg chain or hand chain? I don't know. Then I have this set of knuckle rings. Oh. Should I say knuckle? Okay, the knuckle rings though. Yeah. I'm sure this thing is going to fit me. Anyways. Then this set of necklace and earrings. So I'm going to see how we're going to, do this content to be nice. Please, you can patronize. I'm going to keep her, put her handle on the screen. She sells jewelries, any type that you want. You can check her out. Let me quickly go and have my bath. I'm gonna pick my son. Bye. And keep being the bad girl that you are. Okay? Chile, keep being the bad girl that you are.
I'll do that.
So I just came here to end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Yeah, that's just it. That's basically it. I don't want to drag this outro to be too long. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please do also subscribe, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye. I was yours, you were mine, but it's time to say goodbye. Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand. You thought it would last forever. You should have loved me better. Should have loved me better, 'cause we might still